Okay, so good morning, everyone. Am I audible? And the Excel sheet is visible to everyone. Am I audible? Okay. So in this session, we'll discuss about the mini project and what is the weekly status of your project, as well as what is the overall status of your project. We also discuss about if any issues or if you have any questions regarding the project, and if you have any presentation or code want to discuss with us, then we'll also go through that. So let us start the communication. Starting from Ayush. Ayush, am I audible? Ayush, am I audible? Ayush, you can also use the chat box. Okay, Ayush. So what is status of your mini project? First, let us know the weekly status, then the overall status. Meanwhile, we'll go to the next one. Ayush, you can write response in the chat box. We'll come back to you. Aditya, am I audible? Aditya Bharadwaj, am I audible? Okay. Let us go to the next one. Aditya Jain, am I audible? Aditya Jain, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead with the status of your mini project.
Okay, sir. It is basically a website for students, or basically an organization. We'll provide, we'll match people according to their interest or personality basis.
Okay.
So it is basically in progress, and it needs around 10 to 15 days to complete.
Okay. Aditya, can you share us with your progress, your project progress, document or any code?
Sorry, sir, I am outside right now, so I can't.
Okay.
Sorry, sir,
Uh,
I'm not at.
Pardon, Aditya.
Sir, I'm not at home, so I can't share you my code or anything.
Okay. So, do you have any issues or questions regarding the project?
No, no, sir.
Okay, Aditya, I will share the Excel sheet and you can fill out the required information in that. And after it will be marked as a attendance sheet also. So,
Okay, sir.
uh, okay, one moment. Let me share the Excel sheet in the chat box. Okay, Aditya. You can fill the required information. You can leave the session. Thank you. Akash, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Akash. So, please provide your project status.
Sir, under progress. Now we are working on a weather application, web app using Django framework.
Okay. So, where you are
So right now
this-
it is in designing phase. We are designing the UI of the website, so how it looks like and all.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Can you tell us about your data?
Sir, we will be using that AccuWeather APIs for the data connectivity.
Okay, okay. So
Yes,
they are
sir.
providing the data.
Yes, they are free APIs. They are given free API for weather data applications and.
Okay. So next time, please share with us the working of API so that we can also get the understanding how the data is being collected through the API and what are the different attributes.
Sir, we are still in designing phase. So, sir, we will complete our design. We will connect the.
Okay, so whatever the status of your project, you can share us with us. Okay, so next time, please present your project status. You can also prepare a presentation, 1 or 2 pages
Sir, I can
presentation.
present it right
Yes.
now, and in next after I can
Ne-
present it right now, but after 3 to 4 class, I can present it using API also.
Okay, so do you have anything to present now?
I have little code and like it.
Please go ahead and share with us. You can use the present now. Should I stop
Yes, sir.
presenting?
Wait 1 second. No, sir.
Is your group member presented? Akash, is your are your group member present here? Are your group member
What,
present
sir?
in this session? Akash, you're not audible. आकाश,
Yes,
यस,
sir.
आपके टीम मेंबर हैं अभी सेशन में?
Yes, sir.
Who are the team members?
No, sir.
You are
Sir, Harshit and Vani.
Harshit and Vani present. Okay,
Vani,
Akash.
no, sir, they are not present here.
Okay, okay. Please go ahead with your presentation.
Wait, sir, let me join once again with my laptop, okay?
Okay, till now we'll go to the another one. You should take your time and prepare with your laptop and connection also. Okay, let us go with the group, all the group members. So, Anupriya, uh, is your Anupriya? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is your group members present here?
No, sir.
You are the only one?
No, sir. One member is there with me, but he's not present right now.
Okay, Anupriya, please go ahead with your project status.
Sir, it is in progress. I have not done much in the past few weeks because of the sessional and my health issues, but it is under
Okay.
progress and I will work on it.
Okay, so I will assume that in the next time you will come with some presentation so that we can get the idea what is
Okay.
the status of your project.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
do you have any questions or issues?
Sir, till now I do have some issues, but I'll tell you that in the when I'm present and
Okay, you can also contact me on my personal number, and you can also contact. We can schedule a meeting
Okay, sir.
with your group members so that we can get a better understanding of the project. Thank you, Anupriya. You can find the link of accessibility in chat box. Fill out the required information. Your attendance will be marked. Thank you,
Okay, sir.
Anupriya.
Thank you.
You can leave the session. Okay, thank you. Akash, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please go ahead, Akash. Akash, please explain. You are muted yourself.
One second, sir. One second.
Okay.
Sir, this is my project, and we are
Akash? Okay, Akash, it's okay. Please, we'll take a separate session with you so that we can get an idea about the project. Okay, Akash? Thank you for joining the session. Okay.
yes.
Okay. Thank you, Akash. Anushka, am I audible?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anushka, are your team members present here?
Yes, sir. He's present. Ariman
Oh,
Pandey.
okay. So, Anushka and Ariman,
Yes, sir.
do you have anything to share with us?
Yes, sir. The
Yes, sir.
project is
I
in
have.
progress, and just the
It is
video
almost
calling.
ready, but yes, sir.
Uh,
The camera is not accessing to the app. There is one error only. If it will be solved, then our project will be complete.
Okay. So, please come with the presentation in next week so that we can get a working model of your project.
okay, sir.
Okay. So, do you have any issues or questions?
No, sir. I think the issues will be resolved soon. So if we have any doubt, then we will contact you. Otherwise, there is nothing else.
Okay, Anushka Ariman. Thank you. Thank you for joining the session. Ayushi, am I audible? Ayushi, am I audible? Okay. Hrithik, am I audible? Hrithik, am I audible? Hrithik, am I audible? Okay. Okay, Hrithik, are your team members are present here?
No, sir.
You are the only one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please let us know about the project status.
I am making website using PHP on car rental, which will which will have entries like admin, registered user, and guest user. In this, I will be using PHP, and sir, I will present my PPT next week for sure with my team members.
Okay, so do you have anything, issues or questions?
No, sir, not yet.
Okay, Hrithik, please go ahead with your project and thank you. Kuvar,
Okay.
am I audible? Kuvar, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kuvar. Are your team member present in the session?
No, sir.
Okay, Kuvar. So please go ahead with your project presentation.
So इस so अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है सर अभी रहेगा.
Okay, Kuvar. So if you do you have anything to share? Any do you have any presentation or working model of a project, partial working model of the project?
नो सर सर अभी मैं इस समय सर घर पे नहीं हूँ इस वजह से अभी लैपटॉप नहीं है.
Okay, Kuvar. So do you have any question answer? Oh, sorry, question or issues?
No sir, if questions I will discuss personally.
Okay, Kuvar. You can we can create a personal session on a Google Meet so that we can get a better idea about the project. Okay, please contact me regarding this. Thank you, Kuvar, for joining the session.
सर
Yes, please go ahead, Ayushi.
सर आयुषी यस
Yes,
सर
please.
लास्ट सर मैंने कनेक्ट नहीं किया था लाइक सर वो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट अभी बनाना शुरू किया है फ्रंट एंड का पार्ट अभी बैक एंड का भी शुरू करना है तो सर 2 वीक्स और लगेंगे तो हम उसी टाइम पे प्रेजेंट कर देंगे या नेक्स्ट वीक आपको फ्रंट एंड का पार्ट कंप्लीट करके प्रेजेंट कर देंगे
If you have anything like any partial working of your project, you can share with us so that we can discuss on it. Is it okay? Please present with your presentation on next week. Okay. Thank you, Ayushi.
यस सर द नेक्स्ट वीक
Any questions or issues?
नो सर अभी तो
Okay, Ayushi. Thank you. Thank you for joining the session. Thank you. Okay, Sakshi, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Are your team member present in the session?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am with Ayushi only.
Okay, so Sakshi, you should also present your partial project working model in the next
Yes,
session.
sir. Next.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Sakshi, do you have any question or issues?
No, sir. Right now, I don't have any.
Okay, Sakshi, thank you for joining the session. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Sweksha, am I audible? Sweksha, am I audible? Sweksha, am I audible?
सर
Yes, Ayushi, please.
सर एक हाँ सर एक क्वेश्चन था जैसे हम जो बैकएंड का मैंने बनाना शुरू किया लेकिन सर वो नेट से सीख के बनाने की कोशिश कर रही थी तो सर उसमें थोड़ी बहुत प्रॉब्लम आती है कि जो सर्वर है वो तो हमारे मतलब लोकली होस्टेड है तो सर
Mm-hmm.
उसमें कभी-कभी प्रॉब्लम आती है तो सर वहाँ पे रिजॉल्व करना मुश्किल हो जाता है लेकिन बाकी स्टैक ओवरफ्लो या इन सब से ढूंढने की कोशिश करती हूँ मिलता है लेकिन सर उसी में टाइम लग जाता है बहुत उसको रिजॉल्व करने में इसमें एक-एक दिन लग जाता है एक प्रॉब्लम को रिज़ॉल्व करने में।
I see sometimes a simple problem can take days to solve it. And when we will look back those problems, we'll find out that the problem can be resolved within the minutes, but it took your days to solve that problem. So that is the experience comes out of those problems. So you are learning and experience to find out the solution for a problem.
And so sometime it happens that I watch a video about first video about backend and I did all the steps like same which he taught me. But my output is matlab the output which my lips locally जो server था that output came out to be very different than what he has.
Yeah, it's okay, Ayushi. It's okay because sometimes uh, if they are working on Linux-based system or Windows-based system, so maybe possible whatever the libraries they are using, there will be differences in a version, or there can be differences in some steps
Yes,
that
yes, a version difference is also a big issue right now.
so
So
that
because
is
the video is about 2 years late, I think, and all the Python version they are available in, मतलब updated version is available in my PC. So that is also one of the problem.
Or sometimes you will find a solution which is nowhere available on the internet. So that is also a learning. So do you have any issues in that? We can take a separate Google Meet session on that. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, Ashley, thank you. Kavita, am I audible? Kavita, am I audible? Swiksha, Swiksha, am I audible? Okay, guys, please find the Excel sheet link in the chat box. Fill out the required information. If you have any queries or question answer, you can contact me on my personal number, WhatsApp, as well as we can create a separate session for Google Meet for project presentation, project status. Thank you for joining the session. Thank you.